Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I brought you this quick little 10-minute tutorial on just throwing your makeup on and being able to run out the door. I got a request for this video, but then it really made me start thinking about like how I actually really need a 10-minute tutorial in order to throw on my makeup and get out the door. Because today, for instance, I didn't wake up until I actually had to be 10 minutes to my sister's house. And I didn't get to brush my teeth, didn't get to change clothes, I didn't get to put on any makeup. So this is gonna try to become a normal routine for me to do this makeup look. I actually really enjoy it. And it's all drugstore makeup. It's affordable, and you can get it either online or at the drugstore. So wanted to do that for you guys. But I just wanted to make it clear that we all live hectic lives, and I hope you get some tips and tricks from this makeup tutorial, and that you're able to make yourself feel pretty after this tutorial, because sometimes I know we look really scary rolling out of bed and just going to work with our hair in a bun and like throwing on clothes. Trust me, I know. But I just wanted to come up with something so I know I could put makeup on every day and in a quick pace, hopefully, and get out the door to go to work or go get my nephew. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up at the end and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Callie Manger family and soon to be Callie Kinder family. Anyways, so yeah, I think that's all I have left to say, and I love you guys. I love all 39 of you subscribers and all my viewers that are not subscribed, but y'all are still watching me, so hey, I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys like my channel, and I will just see you in my next video, and we will go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. So my hair is still wet. Did not go blow dry. I've not done anything. I'm just gonna let it naturally air dry because I need some TLC. So I'm gonna take the Loreal Infallible Matte Lock Foundation, not foundation, the primer. I love this primer, especially for a drugstore primer. It's very good. Boop. Now I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This foundation is so pretty on. It just sits really well on my skin. If you have had a I don't think anyone's had, I haven't seen a bad review on this foundation. So also too, to make your foundation and your concealer makeup go faster, apply it with your foundation. Throw it on and just get it in. Get it done at the same time, because that way it'll go faster, and you can use less product. Then I'm gonna throw on my Coty Airspun powder. Y'all know this is like a ride or die for me. I need a new powder, so comment down below a new powder I can use for setting. I'm going to take some of my new Make Up Geek products. I am going to, they're in pan, so I have to put in my Z palette. I'm going to take the contour shade in Half Hearted. It's a medium warm tone. It's very pigmented. That actually looks really money. I'm going to take the next thing I'm going to take is her blush in Spellbound. I love this blush. I actually had this blush a long time ago, and then it dried out, so I had to get a new one. Okay, so I'm going to stay in that Z palette, and I'm actually going to take some of Make Up Geek's eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with Creme Brûlée right here. This is just a beautiful transition shade. I like it for my skin tone. It's just very pretty to throw in the crease. And I actually forgot how pretty these were until I saw Marlena's makeup video, or her recent My Truth video. I had like kind of forgotten what Make Up Geek was. I didn't even think they were making products anymore. So I went on after that video and I bought some of her stuff. That's where this is from. So then I'm going to take some of this Cocoa Bear, and I'm actually going to just throw that all over my lid. Just for an all over eye shade. I am leaving a little bit of my inner corner blank because I'm going to put some highlight in that so that it's not, my eyes not too sunken in. And then I'm going to grab this Make Up Geek brush. It is the pencil brush, and I'm actually, oh, this is not what I wanted. I'm going to go into the Kathleen Lights Make Up Geek highlight palette, and I'm just going to take this first lighter highlight and put it in the inner corner. I'm actually going to take that pencil brush too and wipe it off with my napkin or my my towel, and I'm going to take Cocoa Bear underneath my eye. Alright, before I go in with my eyeliner and mascara, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face with the Kathleen Light and Make Up Geek palette. This highlight is just so pretty. I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner. I'm not going to do a wing. I am just going to lightly line the top of my lid. Okay. And now I'm going to put on some mascara. Find it. Here it is. And just while I have some time, I'm going to actually put this brown in my waterline. Just a little, not too much. It just... And I'm going to quickly fill in my brows. I just got them waxed, and the lady waxed them all off, and never do that again. Never doing that again. They needed a good TLC, but I do not. I like the bushier look now. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this e.l.f. lip gloss. It's in the color Mocha Twist. Oh, this is a lip plumping gloss. I was wondering why I was like kind of burning. Anyways, okay, so this is my quick 10-minute get ready. That took a little bit longer, I think, than 10 minutes, but I did throw on brows, and I normally don't do that. They actually really, really good right now. Can you believe it? I actually filled in my brows pretty well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up thumbs up at the end of this video and subscribe to my channel down below so you can become part of the Callie Maker family. And I'm sorry for the noise in the background once again for everything. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.